Have you ever felt stuck in a cycle of negativity? Or maybe you find yourself dwelling on what's going wrong instead of what's going right. There's a simple yet powerful habit that can transform your mindset: gratitude journaling.
Gratitude journaling is the practice of writing down things you're grateful for daily. It shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in your life, turning negative thoughts into positive ones. Meet Sarah, who used to feel consumed by stress and anxiety. But when she started writing just 3 things she was grateful for every morning, she noticed a shift. Over time, her perspective changed, and so did her happiness. Science backs this up. Studies show that practicing gratitude can rewire your brain, reducing stress and increasing happiness. Brain scans reveal that gratitude journaling activates areas linked to positive emotions and overall well-being. From strengthening relationships to boosting mental and physical health, gratitude journaling has changed countless lives. It can even improve your immune system and lower blood pressure. Starting is simple. Follow these steps. Choose a journal that inspires you. Set aside a dedicated time, morning or night. Write down 3 to 5 things you're grateful for each day. Be specific. Describe why you're grateful for each one. Stay consistent. Gratitude grows with practice. Find what resonates with you. Whether it's a structured journal with prompts or a simple notebook, the key is to make it a habit. Want to deepen your gratitude practice? Try using prompts to explore different aspects of your life. Instead of general statements, be specific. Instead of saying, "I'm grateful for my friend," write, "I'm grateful for my friend Sarah, who checked in on me when I was having a tough day." Experiment with different styles: bullet journaling, creative writing, or even using gratitude apps. Find what keeps you engaged. I remember when I started gratitude journaling. At first, it felt like just another task, but soon I began noticing the little joys in everyday life. The morning sunshine, a kind smile, a heartfelt conversation. It changed how I see the world. Now it's your turn. Start your gratitude journal today and witness the transformation in your life. Share your experience in the comments below. What are you grateful for today?